How to apply for unemployment in Virginia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for unemployment in Virginia, giving you the steps you need to secure financial assistance. To apply, visit the Virginia Employment Commission website and create an account on the online portal. You'll need your social security number, employment history for the past 18 months, and the reason for your unemployment. Complete the application form and submit it online. You can also file by phone if necessary. After submitting your application, you will need to certify your unemployment benefits weekly to continue receiving payments. Now that you know how to apply for unemployment in Virginia, you can begin the process and get the support you need.